In this video, I want to take you behind the scenes to the creation of one of my latest paintings of a majestic mule deer buck. This painting was inspired by a photograph I had taken a few years back of a couple of old granaries that were just sitting in the beautiful warm autumn light at golden hour. I just knew that that photograph was going to make a perfect backdrop for a future painting. This original oil painting measures 30 by 40 inches and took me approximately 3 weeks to complete. And I'm honored to say that it sold to a collector out of Texas for $12,000 and generated several thousand more in print sales. But this video isn't just about showcasing this painting, it's about showing you my basic process on how I completed this piece so that hopefully you can pick up a few useful tips for your own creative endeavors. So without further delay, let's dive right in.